Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be doing some Japanese Notan art, okay? And Notan is the play and placement of dark and light elements placed next to each other. So we're going to pick, you're going to have a choice of black or white for your base paper. It's 12 by 12 inches. And then I'm going to have you choose a small square, a 6 by 6 square. But you want to be sure that you have dark and light. So if you chose a white background, you would want to pick a dark color. Now the darkest or the best contrast for white is going to be to choose black, okay? But you could pick a dark color of paper, like blue is kind of dark, okay? If you chose black for your background, obviously white's your best contrast, but you could pick a light color like pink, or there's a light blue, maybe yellow. Yellow's a nice light color, right? So you want to have that sharp contrast between the colors. Okay. So your first step then is to trace this onto your paper. Oh, I've got the whole stack of black here. Let me take those away. So you're going to take a pencil. You're going to put your small square onto your large square, and then you're going to trace around it. Start at the edge, go in, and you could do any kind of shape. I think I'm just going to do a wavy line, okay? And then go back out. You have to go out this same edge, okay? And I'm staying kind of within this triangle. You could go up into that triangle, but then you're going to limit how much you can do here, okay? Then I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to do, I think this one will do a sort of a jaggedy one. And then this one, let's see, maybe like a wave or two. Now remember, whatever you draw here, you've got to cut around those. So if you draw really tight corners, you're going to have to cut those tight corners. And then let's see, I think this one I'll do like that. Okay, now next step is to cut out those shapes. So whatever you put in there, you're going to cut out, but you're going to cut right on the line. Stay on your pencil line. Then you're going to lay this back into the place where it was. Kind of line it up with your pencil lines. Then lay this back into, it's kind of like a puzzle, put it back in the puzzle. Take your glue stick, or if you're using a glue bottle, you could do it with a glue bottle too, but glue stick's probably easier, because what we're going to do is we're going to put glue on this, and then the glue stick will pick it up for you. You're going to take it and lay it against the line. So I'm lining this up with my pencil line, but I'm also lining it up with the opening here. See, I want this to touch the corner of that. Glue it down. Then you have your positive shape, which is the part you cut out, and you have your negative shape created by the space that you cut it out of. Okay, but we're not going to glue this down yet, because we still have to cut out all these other ones. Okay. Okay, so I am back, and I've got all of my pieces glued down. The last step is to take this, and you want to make sure you get all the way into all of these little curves and crevices here. You're going to glue this piece down. Make sure you get it all gluey, and then find the way that it fits, so the pieces that it goes with. Lay it back onto that square, and then if you see, like I do, I see I have some pencil lines here. You're going to want to erase any pencil lines that you can see so that it looks nice and clean. Oops. And then check the back to make sure that you remember to put your name and class code on the back, okay? You should have that information always on anything that you do. Always make that a habit